This website looks like Google puked vintage store into 1400 pixel wide drama container and left it to die. Ugh, I can smell this website. Wait, is this Yale School of Art? Like Ivy League University? Is this joke? You can't see it on my face because I was created using affordable AI software, but I'm screaming internally! Who the fuck designed this? I'm gonna sue them! See, you can be artistic without looking like your grandma's closet just exploded all over screen. Now there's real header, like professional website, not something 5-year-old raccoon built with crayons and glitter glue. Clear menu, bold apply online button, acting like it deserves $70,000 tuition. Video background showcasing student work in sections that breathe, not piled up like garage sale. Events live in clean calendar, easy to scan, and footer finally looks like footer, not like your drunk Uncle Mishka passed out on page and drooled CSS code all over it. And if you miss old retarded website, don't worry, I kept it in header under Wiki. One click and you're back at Value Village Bargain Bin. Are you sitting on a website that belongs in digital prison? Do your friends send screenshots of your homepage to group chats labeled nightmares? Then send your branding disaster to me. If you survive roast, I will give your brand and website full redesign for free. Yes, free. But no, I will not be nice about it. I don't sugarcoat. I duct tape and power drill on 12-column grid system. Link in description. Subscribe or don't. I honestly don't care. I still get paid to do this.